If you need your bumper repaired or any other kind of body work done on your car, there is a difference. Bob's Auto Body Repair is a full-service, expert auto body and paint shop serving the entire Coachella Valley. Their technology includes the state-of-the-art computer paint matching system that ensures you get the exact color and exact clear coat. It does make all the difference. They use only the world's top-quality water-based paint made by PPG, Pittsburgh Paint Group, and guarantee it for the life of your car. Be careful not to use a cheap alternative. Now, here's Bobby.
Started by my parents, Bob and Julie Middleton, over 40 years ago, Bob's Auto Body still holds true to their one core value of making you happy.
Bob and the entire family continue to give the highest quality job possible and the best customer service. Bob's was the first in the desert to be concerned about the environment and was using green technology and proper disposal methods before anyone even thought of it. Their specialized air filtration and paint disposal systems reflect their ongoing commitment to all environmental aspects of the industry and the community. At Bob's, you are assured of immediate service when you arrive. They accept all insurance and will contact your company, give you a quote, take care of all the details, begin the work on your vehicle, and finish the job as soon as possible. Call today and speak to one of the family and become another of their happy customers.
Call me today and ask for Bobby.
Call 760-324-3300 and ask for Bobby. And call now 760-324-3300.